In this video, I'm going to show you how to get into Samsung's secret developer menu to speed up your phone. This is very simple. The only thing I would say is when I show you this menu, only change the settings that I'm going to show you in this video. Don't mess with any other settings because it can damage your phone. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Alright, so to get into this menu, all you have to do is go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. You want to go to About Phone. So once you get into the About Phone menu, you want to look for software information right there. From here, you want to scroll down and you want to find your build number. Once you find that, all you have to do is tap this multiple times to unlock the secret menu. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Just tap it multiple times. All right, once you tap it multiple times, your pattern, if you have a pattern, or your PIN or your password will show up. Just input your password, your pattern, or PIN. I'm gonna do mine. There you go. Now we have developer mode has been turned on. Now we just want to go all the way back to the main menu and scroll down. And now you're going to see a new option here, developer options. You're going to click on that. Once again, you don't want to mess with any of these settings unless you know what you're doing. I will only show you how to speed up your phone. So there's 3 settings to change on here. So let me go ahead and show you. Scroll all the way down until you find... So drawing. Under drawing, if you scroll down, you're going to see 3 options. You're going to see window, animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Now this is the animations that happen when you open an app, close an app. To make the phone faster, you want to set this to 0.5 right there. 0.5 and 0.5. Perfect. That's all you have to do. Now you can just go back, close this menu, go home. Go to your home screen. In your home screen, now that we have enabled that, your phone should feel a lot faster. So for example, I'm going to open. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the web browser. We got Samsung browser here. We're going to open that up. That was pretty quick. Now you're going to be asking yourself, well, we don't know how fast it was before. Well, I'm going to show you how slow it was before. S24 Ultra versus the S26 Ultra. This is a new phone. Should be a lot faster, a lot quicker, but because the animations are set to 2x1, it's going to be a lot slower. Let's see. We're going to open this up. Same time. You see that? Let's show that again. See how faster the S24 was, even when going back to the home screen? Oh, let me try that again. Oh, keep missing. See that? Let me show you. So let me just do this one alone. So we're going to do, see the animation right there. It's the normal animation time. Now we're going to do it on the S24 with the settings change. See how faster that is? I'm going to see if I can do it simultaneously here. See how faster the S24 is? A lot faster. That's all you have to do, and it'll speed up your phone. Opening, closing tabs, going to the home screen is a lot faster. Build number multiple times. Your pattern or password or PIN. Developer mode has been enabled, turned on. Want to go back, scroll all the way to the bottom. Developer options. Scroll down until you see drawing. Oh, there it is, drawing. Under drawing, you got the 3 options. I'm going to set this to 0.5. Now you can set it to whatever animation scale you want. The higher is, the slower the animation is. Let me go ahead and just show you that so you can see here. See how slow that is? Alright, so I'm at 10x. I'm going to go ahead and hit this home screen. Pretty slow, right? Look at that. And if you want your animations to be that slow, I guess you can do that. But I want it to be fast. And then if you don't want any animation at all and you just want your phone to be like, the fastest, just turn it off, animation off. Basically, there's going to be no transition here. If you press the home screen, it's just going to show you the home screen. Bam. Settings. Bam. 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 It's just like a snap. Instant transmission to the next screen. So we try the browser. Let me try the browser. See how fast that is? No transition, no nothing. Just like that. And then we're going to do it again on this. See the transition? For me, I like to set it at 0.5. I still like the animations, so I've set it to, to 0.5. Cool. Now we're done with the new phones. Let's go to the old phone. It's going to be the same thing with this one. This is the S7 Active. You want to go to your settings. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom. About phone. You can see this is the S7 Active. I'm going to scroll down to software information. You want to find your build number. You want to tap that multiple times. This one does not tell you that you unlock the menu, but once you do that, you go back to the main menu. You scroll down, you see developer options. You want to find, I don't know if it's called the same thing here, but we're going to see here. Okay, yeah, so under drawing, you can see the 3 options right there. Now, before I turn those on, let's see how slow this is. This is an older phone. We're going to open the internet browser. The animations are a little different than the newer ones, of course. This is an older Android version. But we're going to go home. Open. Okay, internet, home, internet, home, internet, home. It's a little slow. You can see that when we get the home screen, it takes a little bit to get to the home screen because so opening the app is a little quick, but going to home screen a little slow. So let's go ahead and change that up. Developer options. Let's see if 0.5 makes it faster. Home screen. Ooh, we're gonna go to the internet. Fast. Home screen. A little faster. Internet. Home screen. Messages. Home screen. Internet. Messages. Definitely a little faster. Alright, well that's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.